In this quick video, I'll show you how to crop an image into a circle shape using Canva. Let's get started. Open your design and select the image you want to crop. There are two easy ways to do this. The first method uses a circle frame. Go to the Elements tab and search for Circle Frame. Add your preferred frame to the design. Click your image and drag it into the frame. Double-click the image to adjust its size and position inside the frame. You can also resize the frame itself or move it anywhere on your canvas. That's it! Your image is now neatly cropped into a circle. Canva offers many circle frame styles, so feel free to experiment with different looks. For the second method, we'll create a soft, faded edge effect using the Image Blender app. Head to the Apps tab, search for Image Blender. This tool is typically used for blending images, but today we'll use it for circular cropping. Select your image, then choose the radial option. A circular highlight will appear. Move it to your desired crop area and adjust its size. Use the strength slider to soften the edges for a smooth fade. Tweak the settings until you're happy, then save to apply the effect. And there you go! 2 easy ways to crop images into circles in Canva. Thanks for watching.